Hello there, my name's Harry from HS Carpentry. In this video we're carrying on with the kitchenette build. Now, as you previously saw, we finished off pretty much the base units and got all the white goods ready for install. In this video we're going to be doing the wall units now, so we've got the first thing we're going to be doing is the extraction unit. We have to essentially build the unit and then cut that out of the bottom, and then that fits to the underside of it so that it's completely hidden pretty much and nice and discreet. And then after that, once we've got that installed, we can then build the other units around it, and then to follow would be the unit where the microwave is going to be housed. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'll show you exactly how we're going to be doing that. so as you can see, we've got the plasterboard on now, and what we're going to do is come up from the centre of this unit, which is then going to be where the centre of the hob is, to find out the centre, which is roughly here anyway. Then we can drill the cable through, and then we can get this in so that everything other than the hob and then the extractor are all going to be in line with each other to the centre point anyway. Okay, so now we've got the extraction unit in place, we can now start to work on the units beside it. So if we have a look here, you can see the room we're left with. So as you can see, the extraction unit, we're going to have a full height door from top to bottom, and that door is going to come to the underside of the extractor, just so that that stainless steel edge is hidden, and then obviously all the doors will be the same after that. So we've got a 400 unit going here, and then probably a smaller one obviously on that side. But as you can see, we've lined the centre up with everything here, so that's what we're governed by on that everything stays in the right line, and then the microwave is going to be going up there. So that's the plan. That unit's the next one. Okay, so now the time's come to get the microwave unit on the wall. As you can see, we have right here, microwave goes down the bottom, and then we have a little bit of extra room up top for a shelf. Now with the other wall units, as you saw, we screwed them straight into the stud work, and we know we've got a good fixing with them. However, this is all soft threads behind here, and trying to get a raw plug in there isn't really that feasible, especially because this unit does weigh a fair bit as well. So to play it safe, we are going to be putting some chem fixed rods. So we're going to chemical fix some threaded rod into the wall, and that's how this unit is going to be hung. Very, very straightforward process, especially with this self-mixing stuff. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up. As you can see, as the resin comes through, it mixes itself together, which creates a compound by the time it gets to the top of the tube. That goes into a nice clean pre-drilled hole, then the rods go in, and then you're away. So that's how we're going to be doing that. We started off by marking, drilling out the unit holes first, then we got it in place, got it level, made sure we were happy with it, and then marked them on the wall, and now's the time to drill them and get it prepped ready for the rods. And there we have it. So now we'll leave them to go off, and we can get this hung probably tomorrow morning.